Okay. Yeah, that's 1.9%.
Yeah.
That's all profit.
Wow.
Yeah, I get crazy bonuses.
Oh, yeah. And that all goes in your pocket?
Can't you cash it in?
Well, yeah, of course, but you have to leave it in there. Hey, Dan, what's with the scaffolding?
Yeah, it's annoying.
Yeah, you can say that again.
I don't understand. I think I've linked the account up.
Yeah, good. You can deposit now and the returns will come.
But you can also reinvest your return.
How do you know that? Jesus, Bertha!
Hey, give it back.
You got a lot of money there. Where'd you get that
Oh,
from?
never mind that.
Oh.
Oh, for God's sake, come on now. I just put all my money in there. Yeah, okay, so I took the compensation that's in there too.
What?
Shh, give me a break. Oh, come on, don't be like that. I can get me a nice new build apartment in Dovendrecht.
Dovendrecht?
With a lift. Yeah. With this compensation, I will never have to work again. So I'd be crazy if I didn't do it.
You were going to sue the Brownville guys.